in title, you guys can provide a lot of value.
Well,
in data, recruiting technology. Talk more about that.
Yeah, it's the recruiting aspect is big. I mean, Tom Ferry said a few years ago that the single agents will be obsolete, and we're going to transfer into just teams of agents. And I've seen that kind of evolve over the last couple of years. And the hardest thing for a lot of teams today, with the volume that we had last year, and the volume's still a little high today, is recruiting, especially transaction coordinators. I mean, I work with a lot of TCs in the Valley. We also utilize a CRM that helps us keep on track for recruiting. I mean, every time I do a meeting, every time my sales team does a meeting, we always ask one question: if the people are happy where they're at. I mean, because right there, I'm never going to recruit someone from a team and place them somewhere else, but I always ask the question: you happy what you're doing? Are you happy where you're at? So that person gets put into a CRM for follow-up down the road to check in. Recruiting buyer agents. I mean, I use broker metrics. I mean, broker metrics is probably the best data out there that gives you how much an agent produces per year. To me, young lions, I mean, I create a formula for young lions, I call them, that sell a certain amount of real estate in the first 2 years, because they're going to be eager. They're not going to have the systems in place as bigger teams have. And I can then call those agents and say, hey, you know, after doing an audit on your business model, these are the pieces you are missing. Why don't you go check out these 3 teams? They have all those pieces of systems that you're missing.